Civil site design supports the creation of surfaces using a variety of source data, including leveraging online terrain and imagery using the Satellite Surface command. To start, click on the Satellite Surface button found on the Sites tab on Civil 3D or the Surfaces tab on AutoCAD and BricsCAD. In the form, users can choose from a selection of predefined projection lists found on both the imperial and metric installations. Once you've chosen your coordinate system, you can nominate the units, followed by confirmation to locate the satellite data. To begin, you can type in a street, suburb or state followed by the search button. To refine the search further, you can zoom using your mouse wheel, or you can pan by holding down the right mouse button. Once found, users can choose from available mapping services. The aerial image displayed on screen will also be extracted. Clicking Define Area will enable you to select the extents of the surface and aerial imagery from the screen. Simply left-click once to define the top left extents, and left-click again to define the bottom right extents. A grid interval can be defined at the top of the form depending on your requirements. Clicking Accept will import the terrain and imagery into the drawing. The software will prompt for a surface name for the terrain data. On completion, a civil site design surface will be created in the drawing for use in your project.